Javier Molina. Plan list. Tomorrow I will help my father mow the lawn. If I do not wash the dishes tomorrow, my mother will yell at me. I will not wash my car tomorrow if the weather looks like it is about to rain. I will do my homework tomorrow if I am not too busy after school. Nothing will prevent me from getting an A in this class if I do everything right. Next week I am going to paint the living room because my dad asked me if I could do it for him. I am going to throw a party next week for my girlfriend because it is her birthday. I will offer to help my girlfriend with her Spanish essay next week if she still has not finished it. My arm is starting to hurt. I think I am going to schedule a doctor's appointment. I am going to the beach next Saturday with my family and friends. Next year I am going to be a second-year student in my university if I do not fail any classes. I will stop drinking next year if I see that I am getting too much of a beer belly. I am going to Europe next year after I finish with all of my classes in June. I will make a promise to myself to quit smoking next year because I know it is not healthy. 1 year from now, I hope that I will get a raise at my job. 5 years from now, I am going to be an English teacher at a school in Colombia. I will help my brother 5 years from now get a job if he has not found one. I am going to buy me a car in 5 years. I already started saving money. If I keep eating a lot, I am going to be obese 5 years from today. I hope to have a steady girlfriend in 5 years. 10 years, I am going to have a house and a pool. 10 years from now, I will travel to Australia if I can. I hope that I will have a family in 10 years, at least one child. I think that in 10 years, I will be a manager at my job. I am going to buy cattle so that in 10 years, I have enough to sell and gain a profit off them. In 20 years, I will have grandchildren. I hope that in 20 years, I am almost ready to retire from my job. I think that I will buy a Corvette once I retire in some 20 years from now. I am going to invest in my house so that I can sell it for more in 20 years. I will be happy when my grandchildren come to visit me in 20 years.